Netflix is readily available for download on Xumo box models running Android TV 9.0 or later. The Xumo box uses Android TV, allowing users to download the app directly from the Google Play Store. First, ensure your Xumo box is connected to the internet with a stable connection. Navigate to the Google Play Store on the Xumo box. Search for Netflix in the Play Store and select Install. The app size is approximately 50 to 60 megabytes. Once installed, select the Netflix app from your Xumo box's home screen. Sign in using your existing Netflix account credentials, email, and password. The app supports two-factor authentication for added security. On first launch, it may prompt for account verification, often via email or app code. Once logged in, you can begin browsing and streaming Netflix content. If you encounter issues with Netflix on your Xumo box, here are some common problems and solutions. For login failures like invalid credentials, double-check your email and password. You can reset your password on the Netflix website if needed. For playback issues like buffering, ensure you have a stable internet connection with at least 5 Mbps for SD or 25 Mbps for UHD. Try restarting your router. If the app crashes, clear the cache by going to Settings, then Apps, select Netflix, and choose Clear Cache. You may also need to update the app from the Google Play Store or restart the Xumo box. For error code NSES 500 during sign-in, this is often due to a corrupted app cache. Clearing the cache and restarting the device usually resolves this. For persistent problems, consider updating the Xumo box's firmware or performing a factory reset as a last resort.